Hello! Welcome sa Civil Engineering Sample Problem about Surveying. So tara at isolve na natin ang ating sample problem for today. The following particular data of a particular asphalt concrete mixture. So ito, compute the percentage of voids in the laboratory molded specimen. So meron tayong materials dyan, tatlo pa rin. So meron din tayong kani-kanilang specific gravity and then meron silang kani-kanila ding percent by weight. So a cylindrical specimen of the mixture was molded in the laboratory and weighted in air and water as follows. So meron tayong weight ng dry specimen natin in air na 110 grams. Weight ng ating saturated surface dry specimen in air na 114 grams. And then meron tayong weight of saturated specimen in water na 60 grams. So ang tinatanong dyan, yung ating percentage of voids in the laboratory. So yung ating percentage in void na formula is parang porosity lang din siya. So sabihin nating voids, yung ating percentage ng void equals siya dun sa ating G minus T, yung ating absolute minus yung ating bulk specific gravity over G multiplied by 100. So parang almost the same lang din siya nung ating formula ng porosity. So check natin kung may mga given na ba or may binigay na ba. So dito sa ating absolute specific gravity is I think wala pa. So wala pa tayo niyan. And then dito sa ating bulk ay wala pa rin. So dito parehas lang yan. And then yung V, yan yung hinahanap natin. So ang gawin natin is isolve natin yung G at yung B. So yung G naman, so madali lang naman yung formula ng G natin, yung absolute gravity. So using yung ating absolute gravity formula na yung ating 100 over ano bang mga materials yung meron tayo. So meron tayong limestone, sand, tsaka asphalt. Okay? So pwede nating sabihin yan na yung ating percentage ng dust over yung ating specific gravity ng dust plus percentage ng sand over specific gravity ng sand plus yung ating percentage ng asphalt over specific gravity ng asphalt. Okay? So, ganun lang yan. Kung anong materials lang din yun, yan lang din yung ilalagay natin sa baba. So, ayan, makukuha natin yung G kasi given naman to. Ayan, no? Binigay naman siya. And then, yung ating D, yung ating bulk specific gravity. So, makukuha din naman natin siya. Kasi, to may mga binigay naman na weight of dry specimen in air. Tapos, weight of dry surface dry specimen in air. And then, meron din tayo weight of saturated specimen in water. So, ito naman, yung formula natin dyan kanina na A tapos over B minus C. Where yung ating A, yan yung ating dry specimen. Dry specimen in air. Then, yung B naman natin, yan naman yung weight ng saturated surface dry specimen in air. And yung ating C, so yan naman yung ating weight ng saturated specimen in water, which is, ayan, given naman lahat. So, binigay naman siya dito. Okay. So, ang gagawin na lang natin is direct substitution. So, unahin na natin si G. So, meron tayong G equals, solution na tayo. G equals 100 over yung ating percent by weight. So, dito muna tayo 17 tsaka 2.80 yung magka-partner. So, meron tayong 17 over 2.80 plus yung ating sand naman. So, 73 tsaka 2.60. So, 73 tsaka 2.60 plus yung ating asphalt ay 10 tsaka 1.02. So, So, meron tayong 10 over 1.02. Therefore, yung ating G equals 100 over yung ating 17, 2.8 plus yung ating 73 over 2.6 plus yung ating 10 over 1.02. So, meron tayong 2.275. So, 2.275. So, store natin yan sa A. So, shift, store, A. Ayan. And then, solve naman natin to, yung ating bulk specific gravity na D. So, meron tayong D equals A over B minus C. So, yung ating A dyan is 110. Yung B natin is 114 and C natin is 60. So, 100 over 114 minus 60. So, meron tayong D equals 114 minus 60. So, 1.851. Check natin. 100, 114 minus 60. Eh, 110 pala. Sorry. Ayan. 110. Na-mistype tayo. So, ay 110. Ayan. So, meron tayo 2.037. 2.037. So, store natin yan sa B. Ayan. And then, after that, is gamitin na natin to yung ating pinaka hinahanap kasi meron na tayong G, meron na tayong D. So, direct sub na lang tayo. Meron tayong percentage ng voids equals yung ating G minus D over yung ating G times 100. So, ito, ni-store natin yan sa A and then yung D natin sa B over A. So, ayan, mabilis na lang. Shift, store, B. So, meron tayong A minus B over A times 100. Ayan. So, yung ating percentage ng ating voids, meron tayong percentage ng void equals 10.468%. And this will be our final answer. Ayan. So, ganun lang siya. So, importante is yung alam yung ating mga formula. Okay? So, ang ating sagot, ating percentage ng voids ay 10.468. And I think that's all. And thank you for watching.